Today is the day Austin Speed Shop's coming up to get their 37 Zephyr. Hadn't been here very long, so I hadn't been here long enough for us to, you know, get angry with it, I guess you could say. Nice car, came to us in actually really good condition. It was at another shop. BASF asked if we'd paint it for Austin Speed Shop. I guess they're tied up in cahoots with each other. So I'm pretty excited to give them back the final product. I think it turned out great. I don't know the name of the color. I don't know what it came off of. It's a BASF Color Max chip, and the number is MB271.10. So if anybody likes the color, that's what it is. I don't know a name or nothing. So car relatively easy for us to do. Honestly, we got it, and like I said a second ago, is in great shape. The only thing we just need to kind of do the final thing, check it over for pinholes and door edges and everything like that. Nothing too extravagant. And then we brought it up from there. So I hope the guys down at Austin Speed Shop like it and don't bring it back for anything. And don't scratch it. Please don't scratch it. If you scratch anything, be like a fender or a hood or a door. If they scratch the body, there's no brake line in it, and I don't want to have a burn line. So don't scratch it. But I'm excited. Going away. Yes. Now I'm gonna step out of frame, and then you do your slow motion walk around. You can't see. That's how I feel looking at white garage doors right now. Speaking of blowout, Garrett called me this morning, RIP butthole is all he texted me.